is on the box is $825.65 or $825.64 or $825.66. I'll just ask my son what is it. That's the model. Yay! I have a new AirPod because my old AirPod, I don't know where I put it. There you go. Look. And this is the charger. And then there's one more gift. The case cover. And I like the color. It's pink. It's the right cover. Look, it's so pretty. The cover. Nice. All pink, my favorite color. And this one, the ID holder, the handle. you go. I have in my ID holder. Same color with my AirPods with the case cover, and it's pink. And my flowers also are pink. Isn't it pretty? So now, and most important is my Mother's Day card. It says here, it says you have a special talent for helping dreams come true, for cutting worries down to size and talking problems through. To Mama, you're a mother and a counselor and inspiration too. There's so much love and gratitude in every thought of you. Happy Mother's Day. We are so grateful for you and are so lucky to have such a kind, caring, and selfless mom. Thank you for all that you do for us. We love you, Mama, Dada, Shaina. From Dada, Shaina, and Ron. You're easy to confide in with your understanding ways, and others' hearts are lifted by your quiet words of praise. Thank you, Dada, Shaina, and Ron. Thank you so much. And that's my Mother's Day card. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and share to my YouTube channel, JC Chill Time. And that's all for today. Thank you so much, and thank you so much always for your support. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.